Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on iPhone and iPad. If you want to install any one app then face this type of error, your payment method was declined. So how to fix? First of all, go back here home screen and open your setting, and from here tap on Apple ID banner name and scroll down. First of all, sign out your Apple ID, and after that tap on sign in and security and tap on change password. Enter your passcode and tap on new password, then tap on verify, and after that go back, then tap on media and purchase and tap on view account, and from here you as can see manage payment, tap on this. From here you make sure that update your payment method, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on change your country region, then tap on change country or region, tap on this, select any one country. I'm selecting United States, tap on United States, wait a some second. From here you as can see terms and conditions, then tap on agree and tap on again agree, wait a some second. From here you as can see payment method, select your payment method, then enter your street name and enter your city name, select your state and enter your zip code, enter your phone number, then tap on next. And after change your country or region, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and tap on setting, then tap on journal. From here you as can see date and time. From here tap on date and time. From here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do is turn on board toggle and set correct date and time. And after that go back and tap on VPN and device management. From here if you connect anyone VPN, you make sure that disconnect, and after that go back, then tap on transfer and reset iPhone, then tap on this and tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am helping more. Thanks for watching.